from my husband. Eto, ayan. This one. Thank you so much, honey. Napaka-special talaga ng wedding anniversary. Sana, no, marami pang wedding anniversary na dumating sa amin. Ayan. I got the present. Yeah. From my husband. And it said it's the brand AP. AP. So, it's my husband's name. Here, as you can see. Andre Piasso. Ayan, si Andre Piasso. Ayan yung laman. Flex ko lang. Ito, suot ko na yung gift na bigay ni husband na kaninang inopen natin, guys. Match with my earrings. Heart. I like heart. Hearty. Alright? Thank you so much, honey. So, another gift. Thank you, my loves. Thank you so much. I-open natin. Dandararan! Oops! Ang ganda niya, no? May mga certificate ko siya. Here. Ayan. Andre. Ayan, ang kanyang certificate from Andre Piasso. Ang ganda. As in, I so love it. I so love it. Ang ganda naman nito, honey. I told you na ayoko na ng regalo. Okay, so i-flex natin to. So we have 3 colors. It's tricolors. We got the gold one, the rose gold, and the white gold. See, guys. Kunan natin ang picture. Ayan. Diba? So beautiful. It's so beautiful. Suot kaya natin, oh. Ayoko siyang gamitin. Parang gusto ko lang itabi siya, guys. Alam niyo yun? Gusto ko lang itabi ang mga alahas. Ayan. Ang ganda. As in, this is white gold. Ang ganda. Ang ganda, guys. So, from Andre Piasso. Thank you, honey. Tapit natin. Okay. Dapat talaga may nagkakabit dito para maano natin. Ayan. So, try natin ang rose gold. So, rose gold naman ang itatry natin. Ang dami niyang diamond, guys. How many diamonds here? Ayan, rose gold na. And the last one is gold. Ayan, so it's tricolors. I like tricolors. Ayan, dito natin siya ilagay. Ayan, guys. Nasuot ko na. Ang ganda. Very nice, oh. Ayan, as you can see, guys. Napakaganda niya. Tricolors. So, diba? Ang ganda. For sure, mapupunta itong mga alahas ko kila Demit, Andrea, and Astrid. Oh, ayan. Pili na sila kung anong gusto nila. Ayan, from Andre Picasso. Thank you so much, Andre Piasso. Yeah, the company. Thank you so much, honey, for spoiling me as always. It's very nice. I love it. Thank you. Happy anniversary to us. Ayan. Ang regalo ko lang sa asawa ko, hug and kiss. Hugs and kisses. Ayan. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a very good day and God bless everybody. Bye everyone. Yes, hello everybody. Today it's 24 of May, so it's my husband and our wedding anniversary today. Okay, yes honey, happy anniversary. Gratulerer me brilops dagen. So, yes, happy birthday to us, Shareman. My love, eto yung regalo ni husband sa akin today when I woke up this morning. So ngayon, i-unboxing natin ang regalo ni Mister. Ano kaya to? There's something inside na kumakalog pero hindi ko mag-guess kung ano ba. Kasi maluwag ang pagkakalagay. Sweet ni Mister. Actually, sabi ko kay Mister, I don't need anything na from our wedding anniversary kasi nga ang dami namin renovation sa house. So, siguro nakakalahati pa lang kaming renovation sa house namin since we have moved in here just last year. So, naka 1 year na kami actually nung March. So, time flies so quickly guys. You know, minsan hindi mo na nalalamaanan na matagal ka na pala na nakalipat. But anyway, move on tayo sa gift ni Mr. So, actually busy si Mr. sa labas kasi ang pinifix naman ngayon ni Mr. is yung swimming pool namin. Gosh, kasi yung swimming pool namin, nagkaroon siya ng hole. So, he have to fix it. But, sabi ko kay Mr. baka pwede na lang namin paltan. So, sabi niya, bibili siya. Actually, yung nasira kasi yung inner liner, which is you have to take it out, all of it, and start from the inner liner na ikabit. So, ayun, nakabili si Mr. ng material for that. So, ikinabit niya kahapon. So, he's been fixing it yesterday while raining. Gosh, and by his own. So, I wish I could help. Pero it's a big job. At saka, ang laki din kasi ng pool namin. So, hindi basta-basta. But he made it. So, he is very professional. He is very good. He is excellent. Talagang lahat alam ni Mr. Kahit pananahe, alam ng asawa ko. Siya din tumatahinan kung may sira yung gagamitin ko. Ang galing niya. He knows everything. So, I admire my husband a lot. He is very good, excellent husband and very loving and caring to his family. So, sino hindi talaga dun maaano, diba? So, everybody deserves to have a good husband, excellent husband, loving and caring husband. Ayan lahat ng mga wishes ng mga ano natin, ng mga kababaihan, ng mga nangangarap na nag-aasawa, diba? Ayan, na he give us a good life. Ayan. And he always give us a comfortable life, actually. So, thank you, Lord. This is all for you. Glory be God. Thank you so much, God. Jesus Christ. Thank you so much for all the blessings, for all what we deserves, for all the prosperity na nare-receive ko, Lord. Thank you so much. This is all for you. You are awesome. Ayan. Kaya wag nating kakalimutan lagi magpa-thank you kay Lord because that's very important na pinupuri natin, na we give to glory, you know. Na nagpupuri tayo kay God always. Yeah, not only when we receive something, diba? Dapat every day when we get up in the morning, we always say, thank you, Lord. Thank you for all the blessings. Purihin natin. Yeah. Kasi the more natin pinupuri si Lord is the more tayo nagkakaroon ng blessings, diba? Ayan. Happy anniversary. Happy 13th to us, my love. Yes, Min Shariman, my dearest husband. Thank you so much. Parang ang hirap niyang tanggalin, guys. Ayan, natanggal ko na siya. Ayun si husband, he's still fixing the pool sa labas. Kaya, ayan. Ayan na siya. When I see your face, I just call to say I love you, Miss Shariman. I just call to say how much I care. So later, magdi-dinner kami, romantic dinner. So dito lang sa house kami mag-dinner. As you know, it's still pandemic. So ayan. And it's so lucky kasi dito, Andre Pincedag, 24 of May, it's a red calendar. So it's a 2nd of Pentecost. So have a blessed Pentecost to all of us. Especially to me, to my husband, to our anniversary today. Ayan, binubuksan ko na siya. Paulit-ulit ko na siyang binubuksan. Ayan, ayun si husband. Talagang sinisilip ko si husband sa labas while I'm opening his gift for me. Ayan, ang asawa ko. Ayan, he's still fixing the pool. Hindi na kasi makapag-wait si Demi and Astrid na mag-swim. Mag-swimming sila. Ayan. Ayan. Taran! Ano kaya to, no? Ayan. So, tignan natin, silipin natin. Ano kaya? Naririnig ko talaga. Kumakalog-kalog. Kumakalog-kalog. Ayan. Parang ayaw niyang pa-open, Sabi ko kay husband, wag na siya magregalo sa akin kasi ang dami naming renovation sa house. So, ayun na yung gift niya sa akin, especially our kitchen. So, I'm looking forward for our kitchen island is soon. Yes, thank you, Lord. Excited din yung mga kids namin, si Demi Andrea and Astrid Teresie, sa magiging new kitchen namin. So, malapit na siya. Pero sabi ni husband, unahin niya muna daw yung swimming pool namin kasi, getting summer na. Parang hindi naman kasi, makulimlim. Tapos, it was raining yesterday, actually 2 days ago. So, ngayon makulimlim. So, I don't know if it's gonna be rain again or sun. So, let's wait. Kapag magandang araw, so maybe mag-e-exercise si Rick's Baby Star para mabawasan yung natin, mapagpawisan tayo, 'di ba? Kailangan natin magbawas ng kilos paminsan-minsan. Ayan na po. So cute naman, husband naman. Ang cute. Thank you so much. Parang ang dami ko ng heart. Puro heart. Ayan, pakita ko sa inyo, guys. Ang cute. Ang ganda. May nakalagay siya something. Ang ganda niya. Oh. Thank you, honey. Heart talaga. Ayan, guys. Regalo ni husband. Thank you so much. Ayan. Tukunan natin ang picture. Ayan. Thank you, husband, for the lovely gift. Heart talaga. Lagi niya ako nireregaluhan ng heart. Pero yung the first time we met, ang una niya talaga niregalo sa akin, it's white gold diamond cross. Ayun, napakaganda. Hindi ko nga siya nasusot. Tinabi ko na kasi lahat ng mga alahas ko actually. Lahat ng jewelries. After kong nakagraduate at nagtatrabaho as a auxiliary nurse kasi sa work namin hindi pwede yung may alahas, you don't allowed to use any jewelries, you know, and even the ring. Ngayon ko nga lang ulit nasuot yung ring namin, so lagi ko rin siya tinatanggal. So bawal lahat yung mga yan, and even the nail polish bawal din sa work. So Kaya ayun, kaya hindi na talaga ako into jewelry, pero si husband, lagi niya ako niriregaluhan ng jewelry. Kaya ayan, thank you. Pero lahat naman to ng jewelries ko na nare-receive is for sure, mapupunta to lahat sa, syempre, sa dalawa naming anak na si Andrea and Astrid. Yeah. Kaya, so, kinikip ko lang lahat sila. So, when they grow up, so they can have it. All of it. Okay, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And please, don't forget to like and share. And if you are not subscribed yet, please do so. And don't forget to hit the notification bell also para lagi kayong notified to all our vlogs, to all our videos. Thank you and God bless everybody. Bye!